Hey guys! Hey guys, it's me Press. In today's video, I'm gonna play Animal Jam again because Animal Jam I adore it. Let's see if people believe me. Hey guys, I'm recording. Hey guys, I'm recording. So this is gonna be awesome. People who want to be on screen, if you want to be on screen, dance. If you want to be on screen, dance. Alright, should I join you? No, no one wants to. Yep, no one wants to. Okay, you know what I'm gonna try to do? I need to try to get, actually, I need to try to get, something called, BF. Yeah, if you don't know what's a BF, it's, yeah, you don't really want to know what, you don't really want to know what's a BF. If oh my gosh. Yeah, it's not gonna work. I need to get a family settle. I need someone to actually. I need a boy actually. Like a rich boy, a boy that likes me. Okay, let's see. Someone who's nice, kind. Nice, kind, dumplings. Yeah. My cake looks real. Wait, who is on? No one's on. Not even my YouTube friend. Oh. Okay. So I need a guy who is nice. I need a word. Aldan. Aldan, help me. Okay, I need to check inside here. I need to check everyone. And wait, hold on. That's exactly what I need. Nope. Okay. 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 Let's see. I need to ignore that guy. Okay. Let's see why. Guys, you'll see. You'll see. You'll actually see. We better win this. Hear me. Okay. Sorry, I was just waiting for a second. Oh! Pennsylvania. Go! 1, 2. It'll be great. Lol. LOL. If you just... Oh my gosh! I'm so good. Yes! 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 Suckers gonna suckers. Oh! Oh! I almost did not do that one. Oh! I did it. I did it. In the last episode, I won one. So my trick actually worked. What? No. What? So unfair. No, that is so wrong. That is so wrong. That's it. Let's go. 1, 2. Someone is chasing me. Like an earthquake goes. Something. It goes. Marrying something. 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 Wicca, marry me and something. Marry me and something. No! Oh, yes. Marry me and something. Oh, marry me and something. Oh, tricked. Worked again. Oh, worked around. Tricked. Worked again. Tricked. Worked again. Worked again. And now we. What is going on? We're so unfair. It's not. They first enter. No. 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 No, that is so untrue. Oh, everyone knows my trick, huh? Oh, you lost. What? That is so unfair. We use the case for emergencies. Other just need one. I just need sleep, huh? Huh? Well, you're not going farther. You are. If he just loses, then it'll be the best day of my life. Lose, 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 lose. Nope, you didn't lose. But it's gonna say I'm in first place because I already know. I know. It's gonna say that I'm in first place. And it's gonna say that I'm in first place. I know. I know. First of all, he didn't get in first place because in the last round he got in first place, then I got in first place. So that's technically so unfair. If someone tells me it's so unfair, tell me. Tell me. Tell me. You'll never catch me up. Oh. At school today, I got hit by a bed. Go! 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 They always. Oh! Booyah! And it's gonna. No! 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 Oh no! I lost. Microphone, please. What is going on? What is going on? Tell me. What is going on to the superstar? No, I'm seriously, what's going on? I don't get it. I do not get this. Wait, how many minutes? Yep. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Go! 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 Yeah, you feel you. Hey guys, you are not gonna win because I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. You know how? You know how? Once zooming forward. Woo! LOL. No one's gonna catch me. No one's gonna catch me. No one's gonna catch me. No! Someone's gonna catch me. Jeez! No! Yes! Yes! That is gonna happen. Because you know how? You know how? Because I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. What? She won. She totes won. She won. No, actually, you know what? I won. You know how? Because I got it first. Boom! I got in first place. In first place. First place. Place. Ready, set, go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, you're stealing my trick, huh? Huh? You steal my trick? Well, I steal yours, okay? Okay? You heard me? Yeah, you better. Who's cat? Who's cat? Who's cat? Yeah, I'm the cat. Who's cat? Who's cat? Who's cat? Oh my gosh, what was that? Oh my gosh, this is an action. You know what? I got in first place. Everyone say yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. She totally got in first place. Let's try. Okay, you know what? I did not get in first place. That is it. That is so it. That is so it. That is so it. That is so it. So yeah, that was the end of my extremely fun video. If you don't have, oh look! Oh my gosh! I have to put that on the wall. That on the wall my house. You'll see it next in the last video. But we'll never end the series, hopefully. And we'll have lots of fun. Go. Bye. Bye. Goodbye. 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 Like, I won't say goodbye. That's not on me. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Bye!